Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6 with 57,712 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an onboard computer. It's been upgraded with a rider backrest. Powered by a 1300cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7.1-gallon fuel tank, the SPYDER has a 250 to 280-mile fuel range. It has a 26.6-inch seat height and a dry weight of 988 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 14 volts, both front tires at 830 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint spidering on the front fender, and paint scratches on the front left fender. This TRIKE has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.